Today's Scottish Gaelic words of the day are related to Burns Night. So the words for Burns Night are Eiche na Tagish. Eiche na Tagish. And that loosely translates to Haggis Night or Night of the Haggis, which seems quite apt, I must say, because our next word is haggis, and that is Tagish. Tagish. And for neeps or turnips, it's schnap. Schnap. And for your tatties or potatoes, it's buntate. Buntate. Two more that I think we should do. One of them being whisky, because I think that's all important, and that is ushkebehe. Ushkebehe, and that's water of life. And then to wish someone cheers or good health, it is slantrava.